Okay, so hello everyone. Today we gonna learning about trigonometry. This is a problem from trigonometry math, and they ask us to verify the identity of this trigonometry equation. So there are two solutions to solve this. First, you can choose to go from the left side or you can choose to go from the right side. It means that you have to prove the left side equal to the right side. So the first one, I will go from the left side. So in the left side we have sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. So we will multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. The denominator is 1 plus sine theta. So the conjugate of 1 plus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta. So I will multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate minus sine theta. So in the top we will have 1 minus sine theta square. This one multiply this one, and at the bottom you will have 1 plus sine theta multiply 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Alright, so uh, from here, the denominator is 1 minus sine square, which equal to 1 minus sine square equal to cosine square. And we will break the numerator down to 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. So is equal to 1 over cosine square theta minus 2 sine theta over cosine square theta plus sine square theta over cosine square theta. So this is 1 over cosine square theta minus 2. Okay, so here we have cosine square. So I will break cosine square down to cosine theta multiply 1 over cosine theta, right? So this one is similar to this one, but I break the cosine square down to cosine and cosine. So this one, if we have square and square here, I will group it. Cosine theta, and all square. So you could see that this is a square. This is minus 2ab plus b square. Remember that. Remember that we have like I will recall. We have a plus b square equal to a square. Oh, sorry. So a minus b square 2ab plus b square. So from here you can see that a is 1 over cosine theta and b square is sine theta over cosine theta. So this one is a square minus 2ab minus plus b square. So from here is equal to 1 over cosine minus sine over cosine square. So 1 over cosine equal to secant minus sine over cosine tangent. square. Yeah, so secant and minus tangent square. So we got it. We already proved it. So I will go from the right. I will go from the right hand side. This question have two solutions. So the second solution, I will go from the right hand side. So we have secant minus tangent or square. So minus tangent, so we have secant equal to 1 over cosine. Minus tangent equal to sine over cosine or square. So we have a common denominator, so we will group it. Sine over cosine or square is equal to, we will, like, I don't know how to say it, but we will distribute the exponential 2 into, so this is equal to 1 square over cosine square theta. So sine, so cosine square equal to 1 minus sine square, right? So this one is 1 over sine. So 1 minus sine square equal to 1 minus sine multiply 1 plus sine, right? So you could see here, in the denominator we have 1 minus sine. We have two 1 minus sine, and at the bottom we have 1 minus sine. So we can cancel it. We can cancel it out. So in the top we still have 1 minus sine. And because we cancel 1 minus sine in the bottom, so at the bottom we have 1 plus sine. Yeah, so this is the left side. This is the left hand side here. So in this question, we have to prove the left hand side equal to the right hand side, and I already show you two solutions. The first one, we could go from the left side, and the second one, we could go from the right hand side. So yeah, that's it. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.